last Saturday of Pennsylvania's late archery and muzzleloader season. There's only one day of season left. It goes out on Monday, and there's supposed to be some rain moving in this afternoon, so I'm out here for one last try to fill a tag or two. It rained last night, and then it got cold, and then instead of switching over to snow, it basically just put a nice coating of ice on everything, which is just making it impossible to walk quietly through the woods. So I decided to come in and set up over this little creek bottom. I hope to get something moving on its own, but if it warms up here in the middle of the day, I might be able to do a little still hunting, but right now it's just, you're going to blow everything out of the woods trying to move around, so fingers crossed that I see something and get to let the smoke roll with the TC, so if I have any action, I'll bring it to you.